Howdy. Welcome to Oliveira Home and Garden. This video is going to be a little different. When we first bought this house and started renovating it, we didn't really intend to start a YouTube channel. That just kind of materialized along the way. Thought, well, why not record what we're doing and stick it on the internet? Well, at any rate, this is going to kind of mostly be like clips that I sent to my wife like throughout the course of renovating the bathroom. So I hope you like it. Check it out. Welcome to our clip show.
Oh, that's right. This is a clip show.
Yeah. So this is going to be a little different.
Sorry.
We did not intend to start a YouTube channel at the time that we were doing this. And so as a result, this is mostly pictures and video clips that I sent while I was beginning to build this bathroom.
Our bathroom, yes. Now, the cool thing about this bathroom, though, is that if we would have hired someone, it probably would have cost like, what, 15 grand?
Yeah.
But you did it on the cheap.
Yeah, I want to say like 3 grand.
3,500.
Yep.
That's great.
This is our vanity.
Yep.
We got it from IKEA.
IKEA.
Got a great deal on it. I sprayed it with the paint sprayer.
Yep.
You tried to paint it by hand, and it was pretty messy.
In fairness, I didn't have the paint sprayer, and we were rushing.
I don't know if we were rushing.
Okay, there was rushing.
Okay, someone rushed.
I was rushing that day, but we fixed it. I fixed it.
Well, we sanded it down.
I sanded it, and then you sprayed
sprayer.
it because you had time.
This was the house.
That's what the backyard looked like.
There was no wall.
Yeah.
This is the bathroom. Mm-hmm. It was in rough shape. A lot of it was broken and busted. Some of it was literally original. That toilet was 60 years old.
Oh, sweet toilet.
Yeah. And then I started demoing it. And at this point, did I know what I was doing?
No.
I don't think
No
so.
idea.
Yeah, I just was like, I can probably take this out.
Go for it.
So I started taking stuff out. I looked up some stuff on YouTube and figured out how to turn off the water and cap the pipes. And I put some new valves in. This is to prove the water was running in the, I guess, master bath. And came over here, and the valves that I installed were working.
That you didn't mess it up so terribly.
Because they should have been spitting water at me.
Yep.
I kept the Moen shower valve, thinking like, oh, you know what, I'll just buy Moen parts and fit them in there, and I won't even have to switch out the shower valve.
No.
And then my wife was like, no, I want this pretty more expensive one, so you got to replace everything.
And you're so glad because it's so much prettier.
It is.
Yep, there we go.
So here's everything gone,
Taken
basically.
out. Yep.
And then one little hiccup was that because we had an IKEA vanity, we had to buy an IKEA sink.
Correct.
Yeah, they're like metric, and they only fit each other just so.
There's my
This
pretty
is the
tile.
tile that my wife wanted. It was like $22 a square foot.
But guess what? There was an accident that happened at the place.
It was like mismarked, and we ended up getting it for a pretty good price.
For less than the subway tile.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Less than the subway tile.
And it's gorgeous. And Joanna Gaines tells you, spend money on one thing. If you're going to go cheap on the whole thing, spend money on one thing.
Hey, JoJo knows what she's talking about.
I know, she does.
This is our first tub. I say first tub because I broke it installing it. And we had to get a second tub.
You've never done a bathroom before this, right?
Never did anything like this before.
Okay.
Yep. So I insulated this. I had read where if you insulate the tub, it helps to retain the temperature of the water.
Is that duct tape?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep, to keep the insulation there.
I didn't see that before.
Yeah, it worked.
Okay.
But here, I was putting it in, and you can see it bent the tub. Now this tub was it was like a stainless steel that was like porcelain coated.
Lined, yeah.
It just ended up being kind of weak, I think.
So then we got this bigger one.
Yeah, which is basically just a big plastic thing.
And you hooked it up. That's not actual sparkling water.
Not real sparkling water. No sparkling water was harmed in the recording of this drain. This is just to show the drain plug is down. It's
And it
holding the
worked.
water. I pop it up and the water goes down.
Nice.
So I installed the tub correctly, despite having never done it before in my life.
I know. Go YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube's really something.
Really, it is.
Yeah.
YouTube, you want to pay us money?
We sprayed all of the doors. I set up like a spray booth in the master bedroom. One of those is the bathroom door, and this is the niche. I did like a little sketch out for building a niche, and then I had to cut into one of the 2x4s in the wall, the exterior wall, but then this is properly supported.
Yep.
So that I could build a niche right into the bathtub. This is a new shower valve.
Excellent.
And then this is the plumbing for the valve. Let's see, the spout, I guess it's called, the tub spout.
So
and
now
then
you're looking from
shower.
That bathroom into our bathroom, because our bathroom's the next door.
Both bathrooms are demoed at this time. I mean, our bathroom isn't completely demoed.
Why is this? You're just showing that the door works?
Yeah, doors work. Doors are installed.
Good for you.
Doors work. Hey,
victory.
I gotta tell you,
needed
putting
victories.
doors in, not as easy as it seems.
I remember.
Yeah. There's a lot of videos out there on YouTube telling you that hanging a door is easy peasy. Not the case.
It probably is if the house isn't from 1967.
This is just a general look at where things were at. We were opened up to the world back there.
That's right.
Yeah, our ceiling was ruined. We had a bunch of asbestos that had to be
But did we?
taken care of. Well, they said it was, and then they came and charged me a lot of money.
Yeah, I have questions.
There was
I have
that.
lots of questions.
We closed up the secret door that was into our daughter's closet.
Oh yeah, she was kind of mad about that.
Yeah.
She loved that.
They were using
Selling feature of the house.
They were using the back side of the closet in the first bedroom as like a hall closet. It was really weird.
Yeah, it was interesting. It was a choice.
Yep. Here's
Hoover.
what was going to be our addition.
Thank you, Charles DRC.
And then I am starting to get ready for tile. So I had to put the felt paper, and then I've got the backer board here, and that attaches with special screws.
Okay.
Same thing with the niche, and then you had to come in with Red Guard, which is waterproofing.
Why is it so pink in the niche?
Because that's the color of this stuff. It's called Red Guard. It's pink. It dries like bright red like this.
But why do you have to do so much in the niche?
Because you want that part to be completely waterproof. Because water can stand in there.
Okay, that makes sense.
So you want to make sure that that's super waterproof. And then we decided to shiplap.
Yeah.
The little bathroom.
And I got to use the nail gun.
You did.
That was a highlight for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
loved using it.
Right. So we did the shiplap, we laid that all out, started to trim where we were going to do tile, put in this light fixture, and it worked.
Why didn't we paint the shiplap first?
Probably because we were so the renovation took a lot longer than...
Did it?
Yeah, it did. Yeah, and so as a result, we were paying rent in our last house and mortgage simultaneously.
Correct.
For like 3 or 4 months.
That was painful.
It was painful.
Very painful.
And so the reason why things didn't get done in an order that probably made the most sense is because it was like...
we needed a bathroom.
Yeah, we needed a bathroom.
Get us a bathroom now.
We have 2 small children, and they obviously need to take baths, and we needed a working bathroom.
I also go to work, so showering is a must.
Oh, yeah. That too.
Not for you as much, yeah?
Yeah. I like a bath here and there. I'm a bath guy.
Okay, what are we doing?
I don't know. Probably I'm just like saying, hey, look at all the work that I got done. Right?
Okay, and here you go on the
tile. The tiling has begun.
Yes.
Yep. I've never tiled before. It came out okay.
I think it came out
especially
beautiful.
For somebody who's never tiled before.
It's excellent.
It's okay. There's one little thing that kind of bugs me, but
so I will also say, because I'm not a fan of large format, to each their own. There's some beautiful large format out there. I like a small tile. That probably also created some...
for my first ever tiling job, it was challenging, for sure.
So 2 tips for people out there.
Laser level.
100%. That's one.
Use a laser level. And then the other thing I would say is
A lot of people will show you to do the back wall first, then do the side walls.
Yeah.
The reason why I did it in stages like that, some of the back wall, then I came over to the side, is to make sure that the alignment remained the same all the way around.
And look, your alignment is gorge.
It got better, but I will say that like the first third was maybe slightly out of alignment.
A little wonks.
Yeah, a little on the wonky side.
Okay.
The right side and the back both look pretty good. The left side is slightly out of alignment.
If you could do it again, what would you do differently?
Well, just now I like know what I'm doing. I don't think it's so much I would do anything differently. I would know what to look for in terms of like, oh, look, I'm starting to drift a bit here. That's a mistake. Let's correct now.
Okay.
Here I'm laying out the floor tile just to make sure like, there's no like, it's too dark here, too light there.
Oh, that's a good idea. Like dry fit, kind of.
Yeah, basically. Yeah. And then here it's actually installed and I'm about to grout it.
It's a marble hex.
Yep. Marble hexagon.
It looks busier here than it does in real life.
Well,
and
this is before the
grout.
Once the grout goes in, you see it just gets...
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's very pretty, very clean.
Again, probably what we thought was going to be most expensive, but ended up being probably one of the cheaper items that we had to pay for.
Yeah, it worked out.
Love it. So happy.
And here I've begun to grout, and you can see it's kind of coming together. Yeah. And then once it dried, you see the grout is really nice. It's like a light gray.
And you use the same grout on the
Arctic
floor
gray.
That you did on the shower?
Yeah, same grout on the floor
that we matched.
as I did on the shower. Yeah.
Okay.
And it just kind of had a real nice, tranquil feel. We got the vanity installed.
Vanity's in.
And the sink. Got a toilet now.
You painted.
It's becoming a real bathroom. We've got some paint on the wall,
a
primer.
Mirror.
We've got a mirror. Yep. At this point, like, it's like, okay.
See, all the fixtures
The nightmare
match.
is over. Like, we can actually bathe our children. We can go. We can use the restroom if we need to. That's a real thing.
No bushweed?
Yeah. Thankfully, no.
Thankfully, no.
Had to notch out the baseboard there because the plumbing was like so low.
Oh, that's right.
For the toilet. Also, if you have an older home, you might need to look for a toilet that has like a flange that is closer to the wall. I had to end up changing out the toilet that we originally put in here because the flange in the bathroom was like closer to the wall than it should have been by code.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Here's a little gimmick. I like this flip-up handle.
Yeah, you love that.
So much better than the like squeeze ones that like go flying off whenever you try to change the toilet paper roll.
Honestly, if I had my way, we'd change it up a little bit. It's just not pretty. It's not as pretty.
The black thing, the toilet paper dispenser.
Yeah.
I love that thing.
I know.
Oh man.
It's okay. We're leaving it.
Okay.
Yep.
There was still some trimming out to be done. Finishing up some little spots. Despite the fact that the blueprint said that our bathroom was 8 by 5, it was not 8 by 5. It was like 8 foot 4 inches. So the 8-foot planks of shiplap that I got did not stretch from. Yeah, there's me. Yep. Hey, me.
Look at you.
Yeah, we put some pictures up, which we ended up changing out.
I was gonna say we changed those ones out, but
we're starting to actually like.
You wanted to make it homey.
Yeah, it was like, okay, it's got a little more finish to it than kind of where we were at.
Little shower curtain wasn't working
Again,
either.
kind of the before. This was the listing picture. This is really what it looked like when we inherited it.
Correct.
And here we are now.
She's so pretty.
Yeah, I
Bright
think.
And light and airy and finished. And
yep. I mean, for a little hall bath.
For a tiny hall bath, it's super cute.
I couldn't be more happy with how it came out.
So pretty. Good color.
You got the vanity. Yep. I love the color. I love the little apothecary cabinet that we have over the toilet now.
Super cute.
Yep.
Good job, honey.
Thanks for watching.
You did it.
Yeah.
Hey. Well, I hope you liked the video. Again, kind of a weird video, I guess. Mostly just kind of clips of the process of doing all of this. But anyway, I think it came out pretty good. And I love the way the bathroom turned out. Love the bathroom. There's probably some links below. You can check those out. And we'll see you on the next one. All right.